Today we will discuss the linear programming of the word problems. So one thing I am just telling here, unbounded region. Suppose the linear constraints, suppose we got some lines, one line like this, one constraint, another constraint like this. Suppose the area is towards this side. This is unbounded. Unbounded region. Okay? Unbounded region. This part between two lines. This is bounded region. Bounded region. So for this here, unbounded region is means the area which is beyond the lines is not in the syllabus. This part area. This is called unbounded region. This is not in the syllabus. So we will be discussing all the questions based on this bounded region. So, two questions I had discussed earlier. Today we will discuss the word problems based on this bounded region. So, go to question number 2, 12.2. Question number 1 is unbounded. So, that is not in the syllabus. So, we will see now exercise 12.2. Question number 2. Question number 2. Acha. Listen here. One kind of cake. One kind of cake requires 100 grams of flour and 50 grams of fat. Okay. And another kind of, actually it is 200, first line is 200 grams, this is 25 grams. Another kind of cake requires 100 grams of fat and 50 grams, 100 grams of flour and 50 grams of fat. Find the maximum number of cake. Find the maximum number of cake. Number of cake which can be made from 5 kg of flour and 1 kg of fat. 1 kg of fat. Okay, assuming that assuming that there is no shortage of the other ingredients. Shortage of ingredients, you can write. Used in making cake. Okay. The question is, earlier the linear constants were given. We are solving using the graphical method. Here you have to form the linear constant. Look at the clue here. Two kinds of cake. One kind of cake, another kind of cake. Means cake are two types, cake 1 and 2. First cake is two types of items here, flour and fat. Flour and fat. Other one is also 100 grams of flour, 50 grams of fat. Find the maximum number of cakes. This has to be maximized. This is your objective function. Maximized. And total amount given is total quantity 5 kg of flour, 1 kg of fat. So how to form? The mathematical formulation is required here. Look at the mathematical formulation. First, items. Flour, fat. Items cake 1. Okay. Then you need 200 grams per piece per one cake. Then 50 grams per piece other one. Another kind of cake, I think this is 25. Other one is 100 grams cake 2. 100 grams, 50 grams. Okay. Now the question is, how many number of cakes you will find? Maximum amount of cake. Maximum amount of cake is, you cannot use more than 5 kg. So 5 kg here. That is a less than, because you cannot use more than this. You cannot use more than this 1 kg. So number of cakes required. Look at here. Number of cakes. Let cake 1 required X number. Cake 1 required X number. Cake 2 required Y number. This is Y number required. So obviously X will be greater than 0, Y will be greater than 0. So first linear constraint you got, positive constraint, because numbers cannot be negative. Number of cakes cannot be negative. So how to form linear constants? If one piece of cake is requiring 200 grams, X piece of cake will be 2 linear constants. Linear constraints will be 200x, because one piece 200 grams required. X piece means 200x plus 100y. This is in gram, this is in kilogram, so it will be less than equal to 5000. Then 25x plus 50y less than equal to 1000. This is what you frame the linear constraints. Now z you have to find out. Objective function z is objective function you write z maximum number of cakes. So we don't know maximum number of cakes. How much have taken x and y? So z will be x plus y. So solve these two equations, put in there, find the value of x and y. Okay, look at here. First equation you got 200x plus 100y less than equal to 5000. You can simplify it. Divide by 100. Divide by 100, what do you get? 2x plus y less than equal to 50. Make it stable. Table means x and y. Put x is 0. You put x is 0, y is 50. Put y is 0, 50 by 2, 25. So you have to, what will have? Test of origin. Already I have told you. When it is less than a constant, it will be towards the origin. Second, verify x 0 0 means 2 into 0 plus 0 less than 50. So 0 less than 50 is true. The region is towards origin. Region is towards origin. Okay, first equation is solved. Go to second equation. Second linear constant 25x plus 50y less than 1000. So divide by 25. X plus 2y less than equal to 40. Second equation. So this is 0, 50, 25, 0. This will become how much then? This will be, make a table of this. X, y, if you 0, y will be 20. Put y is 0, x is 40. Okay now? Then at test of origin, obviously less than a constant, it will pass through origin. So towards the origin. 0 plus 2 into 0 less than 40. So 0 less than 40 is true. Therefore, the region is towards origin. 0, 20, 40, 0. So with these two tables we'll make one equation. See the graph. So what you can have is 10 units you take. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, what is the first line? Now 0, 50. 0, 50 is here. 25, 0. 25 is a point between. Remember, its area is towards origin. Other one is 0, 20, 40, 0. 0, 20 is here, 40, 0 is here. This is also towards origin. That means our shaded part is this one. Look at very nicely. This is the visible region. Okay, the visible region means corner point will be A this, B this, C this. So we have to see it from this. What are the corner points value? A, B, C. Now B point you have to find out from the graph. Okay, so I can just tell you what is the value here. So if you solve also you can find out 2x 4y less than 80. If you subtract minus 3y less than minus 30, y is 10. Y is 10 means, so this value will be 10. This is 10. Y is 10. You have to find out from the graph. Then y is 10, x will be 20. Either you will solve both the equations, find out this point, or directly find out from the graph. This point, drop perpendicular, find the value of x, drop perpendicular, find the value of y. So, which are the corner points now? Corner points, that is A 0, 20, B 20, 10, C this point 25, 0. 3 points you got. Now make a table of this. Table means corner points Z, that is maximum given x plus y. So corner point, put first point A, that is 0, 20. Z will be 0 plus 20, that is 20. B, that is 25, 10. Z, 25 plus 10, that is 35. C 25, 0. Z 25 plus 0, that is 25. Check now which one is maximum. This is your maximum value. So number of cakes maximum is 35. Type 1 cake is 25. Type 2 cake is 10. So maximum number of cakes 35. Cake 1, that is 25 members, because first x is 25, k2 that is 10 members. So all problems will be like this. Only thing is that we should know how to frame out the equation. Okay, let's take one more. Let's take one more question. All are same. Let me go to question number 5. A factory manufactures two types of screws. Two types of screws A and B. Okay, each type of screw requires the use of two machines. The use of two machines. Two machines, an automatic and hand operator. Okay, then it takes 4 minutes on the automatic and 6 minutes on hand operated. Machines, hand operated machines to manufacture a package of screw A, and while it takes 6 minutes, on automatic and 3 minutes on hand operated machine. Understood? Okay, then each machine is available for at most 4 hours per day. Each machine is available for available for at most, underline this, at most 4 hours per day. Okay, then comes the manufacturer can sell a package of screw the manufacturer can sell a package of screws at a profit of rupees 10. So rupees screws A, rupees 7, and screws B at a profit of rupees 10. Rupees 10. Okay. Questions are lengthy, but the clue are clear there. Assuming that he can sell all the screws, assuming that he can sell all the screws, how many package of each type? How many package of each type? Should the factory owner produce? Should the factory owner produce in a day in order to maximize the profit? In order to maximize the profit. Okay, clues are there, types, items are there. What are the items we have? Screws A, screws B, items, then screws, machine, hand operator. Item screw A, screw B. Two types. Also, there is one more thing, and make it short bit. Hand operator. Profit. That is important. Say carefully, profit part. Okay, what is given to us then here? Automatic हो गया, hand operator. Then screw A के लिए 4 minutes, automatic 6 minutes and operator. 4 minutes, sorry, automatic machine and 4 minutes automatic machine, 6 minutes hand operated machines. Okay, then it comes out 6 minutes. Second type of screw, 6 minutes automatic, 3 minutes hand operator. Then each machine is available for at most 4 hours or day. Remember, at most means cannot be more than. You cannot use more than 4 hours. You cannot use more than 4 hours. Maximum 4 hours you can use here. Then comes up, there is a profit, rupees 7 per packet, rupees 10 per packet. So, how many packets of each? Suppose this is X packet, this is your Y packets. You have to frame out the equations. Okay, look at it. Select screw A is X numbers, packets, X packets. Screw B as Y packets. Then your X will be greater than 0, Y will be greater than 0. Now come back to this. If one packet 4 minutes takes, X packet will take linear constraints. That will be 4x plus 6y less than equal to 4 into 60. Why? Because this is in minute, this is also but in hours. So your first equation. Second equation, 6x plus 3y again less than 4 into 60. So you have to use this linear constraint, frame out the graph. You have to use this linear constraint, frame out the graph. Then what is objective function? Maximize the profit. Objective function is maximized or minimized. So Z will be objective function. Maximize profit. Maximize profit. How much? Now Z will be, one packet is 7 rupees, so 7x plus 10. Okay, so solve it graphically, find the value of x and y, put here, find the maximum profit. So all the questions, remaining questions, same time. Homework. Remaining question will be homework for you. In the next class, we will be discussing 3 linear constraints like 1, 2, 3 like this. So this kind of question are in the miscellaneous example. We will try to solve it. So like this 12.2. Exercise 12.2, remaining questions try to complete. Only you should know how to frame out the linear constraints. Okay.